What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Gabe Ortega, and I know this isn't usually the average videos that I do, but I wanted to show you guys a little something that it's a big deal that happened to me a couple years ago. I'm out on this road in Mexico called Airport, and we do a lot of racing out here. And back about 8 years ago, I had a 99 Mitsubishi Eclipse GST. I converted it to an all-wheel drive monster. It was one of the coolest and fastest cars. It was awesome. And one day I was out racing with my friend. And if you guys look, from way over there is a long, mile-long strip. And then you have this turn. Well, I was doing about 140 miles an hour when I hit this turn. The problem is, the ball joint did not last very long. So what ended up happening was I went from here to this side of the road, the whole wheel turned to the right. I tried to correct to the left, and when I turned to the right, it did nothing. And then all of a sudden, out of nowhere, it just hit hard all the way to the right. And right where my truck is where my car landed. I hit about right here off the beams where this little burn is right here, and the car rolled 4 times. If you guys ever noticed, I have a little scar on my face, and that's because that is from my accident. The accident was so bad that my car ended up rolling, but it was crazy because I wasn't wearing a seatbelt, and I should have been, right? But we're young, we're dumb, we're not thinking. And I wasn't wearing my seatbelt, but the entire time that I was rolling, I felt somebody pushing down on both of my shoulders. And to this day, I still can't explain what it was, but I'm sure many of you can. The reason why I'm making this video right now is because sometimes in life, we're meant to do something. You don't know what it is yet. You don't know what you're supposed to do with your life. Maybe until when you're 50 years old, you have a revelation that this is what you're gonna do. No idea. I can honestly say that I'm here for a reason. If you guys are in a situation that you don't like, example, if you're at a job that you don't like, you know, you've been working there for 10 plus years and you just don't get treated how you're supposed to, and you don't feel like you deserve more, right? Why are you still there? 5 years ago, I started a real estate business, and that real estate business provides me with what's called passive income. And passive income is something I get from my rental properties every single month. Now, for the past 5 years, I've grinded my face off and worked harder than I ever could. And what I ended up doing was created enough passive income where I can finally quit my job. And I did. I ended up quitting my job. I put in my 2 weeks and I told my boss bye. Now, 1 week into that, he decided to let me go. And he told everybody that he let me go. Obviously, he wanted to have the last word. I completely understand that. That's just kind of the person who he is. But the fact is that I put in my 2 weeks. I was leaving. And it is because of all these years of killing myself, buying rental property, fixing them up, and renting them, and then refinancing them and getting all my money back, and doing it again, and again, and again. I've created something that I know that works. And if you guys are wanting to be in a better financial place, you guys want to have financial freedom, this is what this video is about. And I want to teach people on what financial freedom is, and to show you guys and to teach you guys that you can have financial freedom. You don't have to make hundreds of thousands of dollars a year. Financial freedom is when all of your bills are paid for every month with some type of income, with some type of passive income. Rental properties did that for me. And I just want you guys to know that I want to make a lot more videos and show you guys what and how to buy a rental property and why you should. And it's probably one of the best investments you'll ever have, because yeah, you can keep your money in a bank account that you'll make 0.002%. To be honest with you guys, I had $120,000 sitting in my bank account, and it was in my savings account. Every single month, I got $5.71. Out of $120,000, that is how much money I got every single month. Your money is not doing any good sitting inside a savings account. Your money should be making anywhere from 12 to 20+% returns. Anybody can do this. I was a regular plain Jane automotive technician, literally nobody special kid at 24 years old, and I decided to buy a rental property and buy another one and another one, and I grinded my face off and I made it work. And then I got to a point where I could finally retire. I could technically retire right now if I wanted to at the age of 28 years old, but I choose not to. I choose to work my face off still, but I'm not working my face off for somebody else. I'm finally working my face off for me and with my properties and fixing them up and raising rents. Because let's face it, you make money in real estate whenever you buy, not when you sell. So if you buy a property really under low value and you put money back into it and fixing it up and then renting it out for maximum rents, and then do what's called refinancing them, where you get all your money back and you do it again. That is called the BRRRR strategy, and that is something I use since day one without even thinking about it. You buy it, rehab it, rent it, refinance it, and the best part is you repeat it. And you keep doing that over and over and over again until you finally get enough passive income where you can quit your job and start your business. I come out here once in a while just to kind of look back and see of all the shards of glass that's everywhere. Little piece there, there's a ton of glass here. So I had a 99 silver eclipse. Here it is. But just do me a favor, guys. If you want to have passive income and you want to have a better life for yourself, and you guys are sick and tired of working for somebody else, and you want to live the life you want to live, I promise you, rental real estate is one of the best ways out there to do it, and it's one of the safest ways because you can control it. You can go up to the house, you can feel it, touch it, you can do whatever you want with it. With stocks, bonds, you know, any type of paper investment, you can't do that. That asset is an asset, but you can't physically touch it. Real estate is something that you guys can touch, and that's why I like it, and that's why I chose to do this. And I'm hoping you guys hit the subscribe button and like this video, because I'm going to be making a lot more videos about stuff like this, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And well, we'll keep it simple. So just like that, I'll see you guys later. Bye.